Hello, video 8 is all about highlighting to you the importance of relating back to your own subject and your own teaching practice. Now, if we look at the assignment assessment criteria and level descriptions, you can see that you have got 4 different sections. So you graded under product, under investigation, educational issues, and finally under learning. Now here you can see again that it is extremely important for every single assignment that you write this year that you relate back to your own practice, to your own, to yourself as a teacher. For example, for under the excellent category, or the A, you would have clearly and capably shows how personal experience, dialogue, readings, synthesized to inform practice and thinking. Strong links between theoretical framework and practice, and strong evidence of insight and professional acumen, impressive extrapolation to personal professional developments and targets. And I would say that first and foremost here, you need to make sure that you have those strong links between that theory and the practice, and that could be more generic. But at the end of the day, you need to make sure that you actually make reference to some targets. Shall I say, the learning that you have taken from carrying on a certain investigation, how will that learning impact on your teaching at the end of the day? If, for example, you're writing a EPS assignment where that they are more generic in nature, you still need to make sure that you refer back to MFL, to languages, because it's the only way in which you're going to actually make cover that aspect well, cover that aspect successfully. You need to make sure that you always refer back to languages and how those generic principles apply to our own subject, which is often harder for MFL than other subjects. So you can discuss the tensions, for example. Now, this is an example of a successful reflection about own practice. And this person at the start, you can read that in your own time, is discussing the observations of how the objectives were shared successfully in a lesson, and then goes on to say, I believe that similarly in my own subject, and then actually presents the interpretation of the previous learning in their own subject area. So this is something that you could emulate in your own assignments. Thank you.